Hello there, and this particular topic is called percentage increase and decrease. So some of you may have done percentage increase and decrease before on our previous lessons, but they work in a very similar fashion. So in this first question, Ellen works part-time and earns £112 per week. Her employer agrees to raise her weekly wages by 3%. What is Ellen's new weekly wage? So let's try this example first of all. So our number is £112. Now we need to work out what 3% stands for. So let's do it step by step, one at a time. Okay, so to work out 1%, to work out 10%, you divide by 10. To work out 1% of a number, you actually divide by 100. Okay, so to work out 10%, you divide by 10. To work out 1%, you divide by 100. Now, because 10% is division by 10, that means you move the decimal place to the left once. Because you're dividing by 100, you move the decimal place to the left twice, because 10 has 1 0 and 100 has 2 zeros. So let's work out £112. So 1%. So let's divide this and move the decimal place to the left twice. So once and twice. And that will give us 1.12, which is £1.12, okay, which is 1%, £1.12. So let's add these up together. So 2 add 2 is 6, and then we've got 3 here, and we've got 3 again. So it's 3.36. So 3% of £112 gives us £3.36. But it says here that her employer agrees to give her a raise to a weekly wage by 3%. What is Ellen's new weekly wage? So now we've got to add £3.36 to £112. So let's turn this into decimals, and let's add 3.36 onto £112. Any gaps, just stick zeros here. So 6, 3, 5, 1, and 1. And decimal place will go there. So our answer in this case is £115.36. So A in this case will be your correct answer. And you do exactly the same thing if you're decreasing the percentage. So if this was a question based on how to decrease the actual weekly wage, so all you're going to do is take £112 and decrease it by £3.36. That's how percentage increase and decrease can work. Okay, good luck with the rest of the questions. Thank you.